Welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. In today's session, we will discuss why the root canal is necessary. What is the root canal? The root canal is the procedure or it is the treatment where the disease pulp or nerve from the tooth is removed and the space, that is the root canal, we filled with the inert material. Why it is required? There are three ways by which the tooth get affected. Number one is the injury to the tooth. Number two, by decay reaching to the pulp through enamel and dentin. And number three is the wearing off of the enamel and dentin. Sometimes damage to the nerve is irreversible and the tooth may get severely infected and the patient get the severe pain, particularly in the night. And due to the infection traveling through the nerves, the patients may get the swelling at that site. The injured tooth may get darkened over a period and become infected. If such tooth is to be saved, the nerve within the tooth must be sacrificed. What does root canal involve? Before commencement of the treatment, an X-ray is taken to find out how the roots of the tooth are and whether the treatment is possible or not. The treatment is usually carried out in 3 visits. At the first visit, the nerve is reached by drilling through the tooth and removed. It has to be done under the effect of local anesthesia, unless of course the nerve is already dead. The root canal is cleaned thoroughly and a medicine is placed. In the subsequent visit, after making sure that the nerve is completely removed and that the tooth is comfortable, the root canal is filled. Now the question is the root canal painful? The answer for that is, when pain is likely during the procedure, a local anesthetic is injected and takes care of the pain. Between 2 visits, mild to moderate pain is possible, but medicines prescribed by the dentist will make you comfortable. Many patients do not need more than a tablet or 2. The question always asked by the patient is, how long does it take? As mentioned earlier, usually 3 visits of about 30 minutes duration at interval of 3 to 4 days. Sometimes injection may take time to subside and the treatment may take longer time, and sometimes it may be possible to do it in a single sitting. The one more question always asked by the patient is, isn't there any alternative to root canal treatment? Sometimes, if the dentist feel like the nerve may recover from the damage, he may try and protect the nerve, but after a few episodes of pain, the chances of such treatment becoming successful are less. More often, the alternative is removal of the tooth. The next question is, do you deaden the tooth by root canal treatment? Does it affect other nerves on that side? The answer is, a dead tooth is one which has the supporting tissue also dead. The tooth after root canal treatment has only lost the pulp, that is nerve and blood vessel. The last and the most important question is, does the tooth require any treatment after the root canal treatment? The answer is, usually the tooth is so badly destroyed by the decay and the cavity in it is so large that the cavity requires a filling and the tooth is weakened by loss of structure, needs to be prevented from breaking by covering it with a crown or a cap. In front teeth, when the minimal or no tooth structure is lost, a crown may not be required. So friends, here I stop. Do take care of your teeth because teeth are very important. ओरल हेल्थ मॅनेजमेंट बाय डॉक्टर अलका खाडे या नावाने माझं यूट्यूबवरती चॅनल आहे. जर तुम्हाला एखादा विषय जाणून घ्यायचा असेल तर तुम्ही तो विषय जाणून घेऊ शकता. थँक्यू. Do follow me on Instagram Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Pakre Khade and my Facebook page Dental Care Clinic by Dr. Alka Khade, and do follow me on YouTube Beautiful Life by Dr. Alka Khade. Thanks for watching.